try it and tell me what you think.
Yummy, Mummy.
Yummy, Mummy. Is it really good? Let's try this cookie here. That's really good.
Mommy's Yusuf. Yusuf on TV. Hi guys, you're back to my channel. Today we're going to make homemade nachos.
Today we're going to make a homemade nachos. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You love that, don't you? Okay, Yusuf, should we show everybody what ingredients we have?
Yeah.
Go on then. So, these are all the ingredients we need. All you need is some tortilla chips, and we've got the Doritos brand here. And then we have some salsa sauce, and these are also the Doritos brand.
And there's something on here.
Yeah, it's got some tomatoes, some peppers, and this one's only mild, so it should be okay for the kids. What else? We're gonna sprinkle a little bit of these, I think they're pickled green chilies mix as well, but just a little bit.
I like them.
You like chilies, don't you? Yusuf can eat chilies. What else? We also need some cheese. So these are just some grated cheddar cheese.
And cheese is my favourite as well.
Yeah, you love cheese. And what else do we need? And then finally we have some minced meat here, which we already cooked, and we're just going to sprinkle it on top. This is going to give some lovely flavour. And these are all you really need. So let's get started. Are you ready, Yusuf? Okay, let's go. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is open that up, Yusuf. Well done. And we're just going to pop it in this baking tray.
Whole thing.
The whole thing, everything. Go for it. Well done.
That's all I have.
Give it a bit of a shake.
I will have a go.
You're gonna have a go. Shake, 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 shake. We have another packet here because there is gonna be a few of us eating this, so we're just gonna pour another packet of tortilla chips in the baking tray. Go on then, Yusuf, come put that in as well. Whoa, well done. Good boy. Right, that's so funny. So now we're going to put the minced meat on here. So can you do that for us, Yusuf?
Here.
Yeah, go on then. Well done.
Got some.
Looks the daisy.
Not on the table.
It's okay. Well done. Are you going to be on MasterChef, Yusuf?
Yes.
Good boy. Well done. So now we are going to put the salsa sauce on. Are you ready, Yusuf? Go on then. Should we open it up? And just sprinkle it on top of the minced meat. Good boy.
Some more.
Yes, please.
A bit more nicer.
Yes, please. Oh, yummy. Does it look good so far, Yusuf?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well done. You can pour the rest of it in now, Yusuf. Pour it in. Pour, 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 pour. Yeah, blop, blop, blop. Well done. Well done. Right then, what's next? Okay.
Oh, you're so funny.
Okay, so now we're going to put some of these all we've done, we've just sliced them up into smaller pieces, and then we're going to sprinkle it on top of here. So you ready to sprinkle?
Yeah, the phone.
Go on then. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Well done. Come on, sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Well
Oh,
done.
that's already.
That's it. So that's done. And what's the final thing we need to do, Yusuf? Well done. So now we're just going to add some of these cheese in. Ready? Come on then. Let's put in. Put the cheese in. That's it. Sprinkle it everywhere.
Everywhere, the whole thing.
Yes, the whole thing. Everywhere. Well done. It looks really good. And don't forget to wash your hands before you start. Obviously, because we washed our hands already. And we have also put the grill on gas mark 3. Because we want it to slow cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, but just keeping an eye on.
Then we're gonna eat it.
Yeah, yeah. Just keep an eye that obviously we don't burn it.
Like a sausage. Now we're going to put it in the grill.
We're going to put it in the grill now, and this is how it looks so far. Are you ready? He's already eating the cheese. So in the oven it goes. And we're just going to put the alarm on for about, I'll put it on for about 10 minutes, but I'll probably come and check it. There we go. And then I'll come back probably halfway through just to keep an eye on it. And then we'll come back and show you what it looks like at the end. Okay, so the time has gone off, and that means our food is ready. Look, make sure you have an adult doing this bit because this is dangerous and it can get really, really hot. There you go. That looks so good. Yeah, it's finished cooking. How does it look, Yusuf?
Can you feel it's hot? Can you feel it's hot or no? The sauce combined with the cheese and the
Yeah,
crisp.
it's all melted. Right, so now I'm going to put some on this plate for Yusuf to try. I'm going to try and get pieces without the chili.
Hot.
So good.
Can you put it in my plate? That's so good.
So good.
Is it? Oh, so good.
This is looking so yummy.
For me, when my noodle.
Yusuf, are you ready to do a taste test? Yeah? Go on then, try it and tell Mommy what you think.
Yummy, Mommy.
Yummy, Mommy, is it really good? Okay, let's Mommy try one. Let's try this couple here. That's really good. Yummy. Thumbs up. Right, so that was simple homemade nachos. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, everyone.
Thank you for watching, everyone.
We'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.